Yo, what is up, guys? It's Halo back again with another vlog. This is um probably vlog 2. So this is a vlog. So let me step outside. There we go. And now we can go down the stairs. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications and leave a like. But how's everybody's day going? You know, how's it going? Is it going good? Is it going bad? Let me know how your day is going. I would really like to know. As you can see, it snowed by where I live, and I'm kind of happy that it did. I'm not mad that it didn't. I'm kind of happy. We can't check mail or anything because we've already gotten that. We got that about a couple hours ago. So yeah. But I will say is I'm going to be vlogging more often. So if you guys want to see more vlogs as well as more videos and stuff, comment what you guys would like to see, because I'm curious. Would you like to see challenges? Would you like to see more vlogs? What would you like to see? Let me know down in the comments. As well, so I don't know, but let's go back in here. Hi. Cooking. So, butter noodles.
Cold?
Ah, yes, that is cold. What the heck is that?
Uptime.
What is it?
I don't know.
Sugar free.
You can drink it if you want. It's supposed to be an antioxidant drink. Make you shit.
It's antioxidant?
Mm-hmm. It'll make you shit.
I don't want to shit.
You need a haircut?
No! No, 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 no. No, I do not need that.
Yeah, sure. Okay, come on, get your in. What are you looking for?
Something to munch on.
Dinner's gonna be done in about half an hour.
Half an hour?
Yeah, half an hour.
Okay. Well, if you guys are wondering, that was my dad, and he is making he's making barbecue boneless chicken with butter noodles and butter noodles, as well as barbecue boneless chicken and baked potatoes for dinner. What you doing, Dad? Ew. Mushrooms, ew.
Rick, I don't like mushrooms!
I didn't say you were eating them, did I?
Butter noodles. Butter noodles. Ow. Also, guys, this video is going to be live So make sure to, make sure to basically spam the crap out of my live chat. It will be most appreciated. And yeah. Bless me. Oh, if you heard me sneeze, make sure to comment bless you in the live chat. Yeah. So yeah. But aside from that, I'm going to be doing a $10 gift card giveaway. If this video gets 10 likes, I'll be doing a $10 gift card giveaway for you guys. So yeah, but let me know what you guys want to see. Do you want to see more Rocket League videos? Do you want to see more Brawlhalla? Do you want to see more Brawlhalla? Or, or Roblox, or Rocket League? I can actually show you guys real quick. Let me pull up my monitor. So, this is GeForce Now, and GeForce Now is a app for your computer that basically lets you stream games. But I got Fortnite, Rocket League, RuneScape, and Brawlhalla. So if you guys ever want to see these, let me know if you want to see Rocket League or any of those. But aside from that, I guess there's multiple games that you guys can all play. So there's multiple games. No games are really, how do I say this? No games are really, there's very few free games, but that's not a big deal because honestly, you get a lot of free games. Let me show you real quick. So these are all the free games like Rocket League, and I'll show you. These are free to play. So you got Apex Legends, you got Rocket League, Fortnite, Destiny 2 Online, Warframe, and all sorts of other sorts of games. And this is a free thing. You can get a free membership for GeForce Now. And every time you get a free membership, you create an account, get a free membership. And anytime you want to play a game, it always takes about an hour, and you have to log in every hour for a free version, for the free membership. Me, I have the founders, so that basically means I paid $5. Well, I didn't pay $5. My friend paid $5 from his PayPal and got me a 1 month free membership of GeForce Now. So if you want the 1 month trial or 1 month membership of GeForce Now, all you have to do is pay $5 through PayPal or some form of payment. But other than that, yeah. So let me know what you guys want to see. More Rocket League, Fortnite, or other types of videos. Yeah. And like I said, I'll be doing a gift card giveaway if this video hits 10 likes. Remember, this will be live. So make sure to, go and spam my live chat, because that's going to be awesome. Spam my live chat, please. And yeah, so my name is Rye Halo. I hope you did enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a like. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.